Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and sumptuous akara, beans cake as you may call it. So let's get started. So here is the beans I'll be using. I have about 3 cups of beans here. This is the type I'm using. It's a mixture of brown and white, and it's tiny. I don't know if you're looking at it as big, but it's tiny. And I was told that this type of beans is very, very yummy for akara. And yes, it is tested and trusted. So I'll just go ahead, select the beans, and wash to peel off the skin. I'll continue to wash it until all the skins are almost the skins are off. And when I'm done washing the beans, I will transfer to my blender, add some peppers and the onions with a little amount of water, and then blend until smooth. After blending the beans, I'll then transfer into my mixing bowl and whisk the beans. After whisking it for a while, I will add some salt to taste and then continue to whisk it until the mixture becomes lighter. This will help your akara to be fluffy when you fry it. And while this is going on, the oil is already heating up by the side. And as soon as I'm okay with the mixture, I'll then start scooping it into the oil little by little, depending on the size of the akara you want. I will fry the akara on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes or until both sides are golden brown. And when it is ready, I'll take it out from the oil. And here we have our akara. This is looking so good. Let's have a taste. So delicious. Very, very delicious. Just try this weekend or anytime you have time. You are going to enjoy this. And you can pair and enjoy it with your pap or custard or bread and tea, or even soak your gari. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.